bird on the street.
Come support your Redbirds, they need you here.
Yes, we're always here, we're always at the game supporting our players, especially Keyshawn.
Yeah, come cheer them on with us.
It's so much fun, they need the support.
I'm out here to support my team because this is my school, and this is the best basketball team in the Missouri Valley. Go Birds!
Okay, yeah, here. Let me put it this way. If you want to have a good time and you have a free night, you come out to Redbird basketball because I guarantee you, no matter what, you will have the time of your life.
Let's go Birds! Oh, let's go!